Welcome to this Mooc on green chemistry and circular solutions. This Mooc is one of the results of the World Project, a Marie Curie-funded action coordinated by the Politecnico di Milan and with the collaboration of different international partners, including universities like Sassari or Brescia in Italy, Du Litoral in France, LUT in Finland, UDL in Algeria, and Burgos in Spain. Also, companies participated in this project like Gesta in Spain, Find Your Doctor, and Smart Sensory Solutions in Italy. The program combines the perspectives of chemistry, environmental science, and economics, giving a complete picture of how circular innovation can work in practice. You will hear from an international group of experts, including professors and researchers from universities and research centers across Europe, sharing their latest findings and experiences. We hope you enjoy and learn from the following program and inspire you for future responsible research and innovation.